The 28th participant in the Silva challenge is Brian from B's Diecast Fantasyland YouTube channel. It's time to put together another box. So let's start with this. Yeah, it's a Blue Angel. It has some of these attachments are broken, but it has some rockets under it and stuff. That could be kind of cool to work into a build. It takes a lot of room in the box, though. That's the only problem. Yeah, let's throw the old gasser in there. Try 5 Terror. I think there's a few castings in here that are out of the recent black boxes. I know I tore apart some of those cars that were in there and went ahead and threw them in some of these tubs. There's the Hot Wheels Cockney Cab. It looks like the Cockney Cab 2, if I'm reading that right. That would be kind of cool gas landed out. You could almost put a turret up here of some kind. I'm going to see how well I can fit these in around the Blue Angel. Here's something that just doesn't appeal to me at all. This is the Nash. I think this was one of the Hot Wheels and Legends Tour winners, if I remember right. But this just looks goofy. The way they did the wheels on it look kind of goofy. So I don't know what you're going to do with that, Brian, but hopefully something good. Let's see. What do we have here? 1970 Chevelle SS, the Butterfinger edition. Yeah, who knew? Yeah, that should wedge in there. Yeah, now if I can get that to stay. Yeah, that should work. Sorry if I'm rambling off here to myself. 1956 Buick Century police car. This is a Matchbox casting. I think I originally got this to do for one of the 3-blind mice builds that didn't come about, as I recall, or something happened with it. I'm not quite sure what, but I think that's what I got that for. Eesh. I can't do that to you. There's a Matchbox flare side pickup. That's kind of beat the hill, but that's okay. The Carbonator. I've seen some interesting things done with the Carbonator. Somebody just did one like a Coca-Cola bottle, put the Coke logo on it and stuff. Turned out really cool. Turned out a lot better than I expected the Carbonator would. Oh, look, another Carbonator. Yeah, we aren't going to do that. I'm not going to give you 2 of them, that's for sure. 32 Ford. That, I don't recall seeing something like this done in a Gaslands theme, which could be interesting. What else should I throw in there? Well, now, unless I'm mistaken, that's an old Caddy. That's a Hot Wheels casting. Doesn't say on it, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Not that I'm really good on knowing what a lot of all old cars are. A tin Chevy Impala. Obviously, that's done with a race livery on it. Let's throw that in there. I'm not seeing my usual forklift that I throw in here. Danicar. A double rear axle. That, yeah, I'm gonna throw that in there. Throw it in there upside down. That'll fit. Huh. Eesh. Not sure what that is. A no name something. I haven't thrown like a construction vehicle in here yet. I usually do. What the heck is that? Flying Mantis Johnny Lightning. Is that a T-Bird? Yeah, that's got to be a T-bird. An old T-bird without a hood. I didn't know if this went up or not. Yeah, sure, let's throw that in there. Throw it in there upside down and at an angle and get it to fit. Well, it doesn't look like I'm throwing any construction vehicles in here. Let's throw a helicopter in there. That could be fun. I don't know, Brian. I'm just... I'm kind of at a loss right now on for some reason. Sure. Throw a truck in there. I'm throwing an awful lot of castings in here. I guess that's a good thing. That'll give you a lot to work with. A little boat, sure. Opel Cadet, Vauxhall Astra GTI. Oh, that might be something I want to mess with and make it look respectable. Or not. I think that's... This is going to take a lot of imagination on your part. Because I don't think this is that easy of a box to work with, to be honest with you. I mean, there's some really cool stuff, and I do believe the Blue Angel can feed into a build well. And the gasser, there's something about a gasser that I think can go gas lands really easily and look good. I just did the gasser wagon that I converted over. So yeah, it can work. Let's throw some 3D parts in here. There's some engines, and let's just scoop all of this out. There's cow catcher. Now that will look cool on the front of something. So that'll work out. There's guns and some panels. And guns, more guns, and some tanks. And some kind of blaster of some kind. Maybe that's a shockwave blaster or something. I don't know. Here's some panels like to cover wheel wells. So there's at least 4 of those in there. Here's a pointy thing. More panels. Gun. Panels. Oh. Another one of the wheel well covers. Some skulls. Yes, I need to 3D print more skulls. I'm getting low on... Oh, that's a real tiny little skull there. I'm getting really low on skulls. Here's... That's a... Oddly, it looks like a broken or an incomplete jerry can, but there's 2 complete jerry cans. Here's some wheels. Yeah. There you go, Brian. I hope you have fun with this. I can't wait to see what you do with it. It's a different box. I think because I didn't throw a construction vehicle in here, I'm kind of at a loss in a way for saying, oh, here's this big push thing or combine thing or something like that that has a natural feel for devastation to it. But I mean, there's a 4-wheel drive truck in here, the gasser. The Cockney cab may have the most potential out of everything in here. In my view, I could see that doing some really cool things. Really cool things. I'm halfway tempted to pull it back out and keep it for myself. But that being said, I hope you have fun with this. I hope everybody enjoyed watching me put this box together. Even if it is a little, I don't know. Yeah. I'm a little off these days. Maybe you can't tell. Yeah, let's throw some more junk in here. I'm looking over here. Here's some clear panels. Yeah. All kinds of junk over here. Different colored glass. Oh, here's the wrecking, the tow truck stuff off of the build I finally finished after 10 months. The roadkill meats truck that took me forever to do. Yeah, there's the parts. Oh, hey, here's a front grill. Okay, I'm finding some cool stuff over here. Going through some other tubs. You have no idea where I'm reaching, but I've got these drawers on my desk or on the bench here that in a diorama build I have that's, I don't think is going to be out yet when this releases, but it might be. You'll have a better view of what the workbench kind of looks like here because I do a 2-image shot through part of that video. So yeah, I'm throwing all kinds of junk in here, Brian. Kind of clearing out a drawer. So there's all kinds of stuff with potential. Yeah, what else do we have? See, that's part of the problem is I've got so much junk that I'm never quite sure what to throw in there because there's so many possibilities for things. Okay, I feel better about that now. Now there's a whole bunch of crap in here. So, hey, have fun with it, Brian. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and healthy out there, and catch you in the next one.